from 10. In this new video on national immunization schedule, we are going to make it simple and easy to remember. So stick till the end and enjoy. So beginning with the national immunization schedule, firstly we will go over what are all the vaccines that we give during this schedule. We have the pentavalent vaccine, which includes diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and HIV, which is nothing but as Haemophilus influenza type B. Then we also have the pneumococcal vaccine denoted by the PCV. We have Bacillus calmette-guerin, which is BCG, given for tuberculosis. We also have oral polio vaccine, which is known as the OPV, and also followed by fractionated injectable polio vaccine denoted by FIPV. And then we have rotavirus vaccine denoted by Rota, and this is the leading cause of death in infants due to diarrhea. Followed by we also have something called as MMR, which is nothing but as measles, mumps and rubella. Then we have JE, Japanese encephalitis vaccine, as well as we have DPT, which includes diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. So firstly we'll go over the age and then the vaccines given during that particular age. So beginning with the pregnant woman, so the pregnant woman will receive 2 doses of TD. We have TD1 and TD2, and there must be a difference between 1 month between the two doses. And we will also give TD booster to those pregnant women who have received these 2 particular doses in the past 3 years. Followed by at birth of the infant, we'll give OPV 0 dose followed by the hepatitis B as well as BCG. Then at 6 weeks of the baby, we'll give OPV first dose, pentavalent first dose, rotavirus first dose, pneumococcal vaccine first dose, as well as fractionated injectable polio vaccine first dose. Then at 10 weeks, we'll give the OPV second dose, pentavalent second dose and rotavirus third dose. We are not going to give PCV and FIPV second dose here. And then at the level of 14 weeks, we'll give OPV third dose, pentavalent third dose, rotavirus third dose, followed by pneumococcal vaccine second dose and fractionated IPV second dose. Then we have at the level of 9 to 12 months, we are going to give MR first dose, as well as to those endemic places, we will also give Japanese encephalitis first dose of vaccine. Then during the interval of 16 to 24 months, we are going to give OPV booster dose, DPT first booster dose, MR second dose, as well as Japanese encephalitis second dose. Then during 5 years of the age, we are going to give DPT second booster dose, followed by in the level of 10 years, we are going to give TD booster dose, as well as last 16 years, we are going to give TD booster dose. So this is the entire vaccination schedule of the India. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and share it to your other friends and people who want to learn more about this schedule. Thank you.